Hi Oscar, I'm Wynn with Spring Digital Insights, and I'm sending you this video that Christy promised you so you can get more business. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your website to discover more on Google, bring in more business, and create more revenue. First of all, I do like your website. At first, I thought that it was just one page until I saw that all these different things, your services that you have, are all clickable. So I am very glad that it is not one page because one of the most important things to Google is content. Now here we can see that you have 1,278 words of content on your homepage, which is more than I thought it would be, and I'm kind of surprised that it's that high. I would like to see at least 1,500 because to Google, content is king, and the more words of content you have on your homepage, the better. Now the next thing that we're going to go look at is Ahrefs. It's a pretty pricey program, but it tells me a lot about websites. So this is your website. As you can see, you have 37 backlinks with 17 referring domains, and we're going to talk about the importance of this in just a minute. You also have 43 keywords that you're being found for. Let's just go look at those keywords real quick so you can see your position with them on Google. So the majority of things that you're being found for are your actual name of your business. So if someone's looking for Oscar's tree service, they're definitely going to find you. So that's good. But we want them to also find you for tree stump removal and tree removal, trimming of trees, all the different services that you do. So let's go look at one of your top competitors. This person is the top competitor on the Google Map Pack for San Jose, California, where you're listed at. And you can tell that they've had their website personally done. You can see all the different services they have, the contact. You can tell this is a rather big website. And let's just go check them on Ahrefs, and I'll explain to you what I was talking about before. Hold on one second. There we go. So their website's pretty good. It has 186 referring domains with over 2,000 backlinks. Now, all a backlink is where there's a link on someone else's website pointing to your website, and it pulls power from that website to your website, which gives you trust with Google. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. In our industry, we really want to look for do follow links, which is where it actually pulls the power from their website to yours. So all backlinks are not created equal. You know, if you had 50 really good backlinks, that could easily beat theirs, because now we're going to go look at what these numbers mean. These numbers are Google's trust in their website. So their UR is their home page, and the DR is their entire website. And you really want to get these numbers as close together as possible. It's called the golden ratio. Now let's go look at their keywords. As you can see, they have 454 keywords. Now, the reason keywords are important is because you really want to have location-specific keywords in your content. It's one of the most important things to have. And now you can see they are ranked #1 for Bay Area tree specialists. They're also #1 in Bay Area tree experts. They're also #1 in Bay Area tree. So you can see they're getting found for a lot of things, and just the Bay Area tree gets 50 searches a month. That gets 70. So, oh, look at this. The Bay Area tree specialist gets 150 searches a month. And that would be a really great one for us to take and use on your website, because the keyword difficulty is only 0, which means that it would only take probably 3 months for you to start being found for this. So that's really important. So the last thing we're going to talk about, Oscar, is citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different directories on the web. Super Yellow Pages, Yelp. There's also a lot of great contracting websites you can get citations on, and that's really going to help you on the Google Map Pack, which is one of the easiest ways to get ranked first on Google. So Oscar, today we talked about content, keywords, backlinks, and citations. And you can take this information I've given to you, do the research, and do it yourself to your own website, and I'm totally cool with that. Or you can save yourself some time and some stress and have a conversation with Christy, and see if we're all a good fit for each other. So I hope you have a wonderful day, Oscar, and we look forward to talking to you. Thank you so much.